So all the data you see on that dashboard is actually live. So it's real data that's happening in real time. So I'm seeing an updated dashboard as of this second. So on the left-hand side, we've got a visualization, our pie chart that we just saw. And then on the right-hand side, I've actually got all the cases that make up this pie chart. But you can see as I go around here, if I look at all the emails, for example, this is all the cases that have come in via email. So I'm getting quick synopsis based on where I click of all the email cases. In this case, these are the ones that are all coming in from the web. Okay, so I can get all of this information, all right, quickly by just clicking on the chart and then showing the actual grid on the right-hand side. So if I click on, there's my printer won't turn off. This is the actual case we just submitted. Okay, so you can see that it's pulled in all the information from the website. Okay, it's actually showing me who the customer is. It's established a process bar along the top and it's routed it to me. Okay, so in this case, I could choose to have it route to someone else who's a specialist on printers, for example, or maybe a manager who only looks after this customer. In the middle area here, I'd have any interaction. So if there's emails and phone calls and things like that, tasks that are being created, it would show up in here. I'm looking at all my recent cases. I also have entitlements here. So an entitlement being that, am I entitled to call in, right? Is there a warranty claim on this, right? If it's out of warranty, maybe I want to sell them another support program and I could upsell them. So that goes back to our chart that we saw on the first page. But in this case, I can actually go in and move this forward through the process to the next stage. Maybe I reassign it to someone else in products or some other group. If I don't do that, I can continue to move it through to resolve. Now, in order to resolve, I actually can look at a knowledge base article. We talked about that on the portal earlier. This gives me all the knowledge base articles that are relevant to our title, right? Same as we saw on the portal. So I'm getting the same list from a customer service agent. I can link this knowledge base article, you can see, to this case. I can also even actually email it to the customer. So again, from the ability to engage with that customer and quickly rectify something, I could actually do this and send it directly to the customer so they have a quick view of the fix. So after I'm done, would send that, I would resolve the case and that case would close. Now, at a portal perspective, I'd see those updates, right? The customer would actually see the different updates that are happening. I may interact with the customer back and forth through the portal, but they get a full synopsis of what's gone on. So even in the future, if they think, you know what, this printer won't actually turn off again, they can go back, reference those customer service cases and say, oh, yeah, this knowledge base article is how we fixed it last time, and go and again, self-serve, which people want to do now.